hardcore Biafra government in exile member don't come outside, come challenge the US to prove the claim. They say they arrest Simon Ekpa with 5 people. He don't read though. As he talk this in finish, now US member whether they call Kichuku don't come outside. They come bring out the 5 people, say now them be this, and now waiting to circulate for social media right now, which I'm going to show you the video for you to watch. My people, don't forget to stay there for Balabajis. Let me play this video for you to watch. Waiting the Biafra government in exile said, and before this guy now bring this update, come show us. Just watch.
His Excellency Simon Ekpa was isolated a few days before the declaration of Biafra. Why was it that? And they also said 4 others was also isolated alongside with him. Fine, we know our Prime Minister. Who are the 4 others that was taken? Who are they? Why was their names not mentioned till date? No names? Male or female, we don't know. I don't see Finland as a country that hides crime. But still, why was the names of those 4 hidden and never mentioned till now? They say they are the sponsors, right? Who sponsors terrorism? Now, according to the news, right, they are holding 4 people alongside with our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. Now, a few days later, coming to the day of convention, even before the day of convention, thousands of Biafrans, thousands of the sponsors of the government fighting against terrorism in Biafra territory, of which they term them as the sponsors of terrorism, came into Finland, the same country that they arrested the Prime Minister. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking what I'm thinking now? Why haven't there been any reaction? Today is the 4th day, being 7th of December. These hard-working, strong men and women are together in Finland.
Okay, my people, let me also bring you this video by this Okechukwu from the US. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
All right, wonderful people, I am back again today, back to back, like I promised my people, that I will never lie to you all. I will always guide you and show you the path that you are going to follow on this struggle of Biafran restoration project. I am Mazo Okechukwu, the General, and I have said this time without number, lies, propagandas on social media, fabricated lies can never give you freedom. And I want you people to know that Biafra is the last miracle on this planet Earth. And Biafra must come. Because Chukwu Okike Abiama promised our leader Mazi Nnamdi Okuchukwu Kanu Nwa Chineke that Biafra must come. And we believe him that Biafra must come. Now pay attention and listen to this news in details, facts and figures. And I have been waiting for this intel so that I'm not going to make a mistake. Because it's very, very important you tell our people what is going on, not to come and begin to lie to them because you want to chase clouds. No way, don't chase clouds. We tell you the truth. It does not matter who is involved, who it may concern. We say the truth and always down the consequences. Simon Ekpa and his group, and what is their job in Biafra land? To kidnap and unalive our people, taking ransom from our people in the name of freedom fighting. And this is a crime. This is a crime against humanity. These men who were charged among with Simon Ekpa over terrorism and criminals against our own people in Biafra land. They are receiving ransom from kidnapping victims and engaging in terrorism, sponsoring, and money laundering in our land. That is their case. And I'm going to call the name of them. So, Obo na one newo no here. A manner that na enega amwefi game. Or you now come out and begin to disassociate with that your useless brother that is in our land, committing nuisance and committing crime and terrorizing our own community in the name of fake freedom. Like I said, these people are not coming out. They are not. Simon Ekpa, if you are waiting for Simon Ekpa to come out, you can never, or you are going to wait till thy kingdom come. Now listen to their names. Henry Chukwuemeka Udo Chukwu, number 1. Odinde Paul, number 2. Emeka Okolo Michael, number 3. And Clement Anyawu, number 4. Plus the Prime Minister of Autopilot, the government in exile, number 5. Are you now begin to understand? Like I said, Ngozi Orebeze is the next. And all of them that travel to Finland in the name of defrauding our people, in the name of propaganda, deceit, and lies, flying on social media, because where they are going to give you all this is on social media. They don't even know that the international community are monitoring everything that they are doing. I'm telling you people this. Most of them very soon. This is the update. And I'm telling you people that Simon Ekpa is not going to escape this. Simon Ekpa unalived one of our mother on December 2013 in Enugu, a pregnant woman. I think 26th of December 2013. Simon Ekpa unalived the woman with his criminal syndicate in Biafra land. And like I said, their second in command have been captured. Their second in command have been captured. I want you people to know this. And as you people, the autopilot, and waiting for Simon Ekpa, believe you me, you will wait till thy kingdom come. Because the guy in question, we have locked him. We have closed his mouth. And I told you people that that will be the end of Simon Ekpa. If you doubt what I'm saying, go to his page. The last video that you're going to see on Simon Ekpa is Biafran child Nwachineke. Copy the video from my page. I still remember Mazokenno Kechukwu General. We move IPOB, Mazen Nambekano, Chike, Doziem DOS. We move. Now, join IPOB. Let us unite. Because now I have found my safer landing. I have found my ground to talk about peace. Come, let us unite. And let us get Biafra. Because Biafra must come in our time. He say.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you have watched that video, my people, when I don't see more, na so we see them this morning. Now we say more carry and control. Na be more na drop on our own opinion for inside comment section and share the video so that other people go get the information. And anything where you get to talk, drop on for inside comment section.